So hi guys, so welcome to our video. So in this video we are going to discuss Python projects. So which is data cleaning with Pandas. Guys, first we see what is data cleaning. So data cleaning means you can see here fixing bad data in your data set. So we contain data set in Excel format. So uh, in the data or the data could be in CSV format also. So guys, you can see here here is the data. So here in director column, so many values are missing. So you can see it is a bad data, I think so. And also in some columns, the data and the format of the data is also missing here. So the cleaning of data is called data cleaning. The bad data could be empty cells, data in wrong format, or like date, number, and month. So, and also wrong data and duplicate values also be present. So, let's move to the project. So, we here import pandas and use matplotlib as PLT plot. So, first we uh, get into dataset overview. So, first get we do dataset overview by reading a CSV file. So, here is the code and read the data types. So you can see all the data types are in object form except release here. So next we see the shape of the data data frame. So how many rows and how many columns. Here there are 8,807 rows and 12 columns. So first we identify the missing data here. So the number of rows missing in each column. Here is that code. So you can see in here the director column has many number of values missing. So you can see here guys in director. So in this column many values are missing. So this is the highest missing data and after country and few more um, columns missing data. So guys, next we calculate uh, percent of rows missing in each column. So by using for loop we calculate and we see the only direct column has highest percentage. 29.91 percentage of data is missing in direct column. So we are next going to deal with the missing data. So we are going to remove a column with three methods. There are three methods. Uh, you can choose any of these methods. So first one is dot drop method and next one is dot drop NA method and third one is dot is null method. So here is the implementation of the code and next after running this we get the data set. So you can see in direct column there are no missing rows because the data is cleaned here with the help of these three functions. So you can see guys the next thing is that we could clearly see here. So after zooming in, we are going to replace it by mean, median, and mode. So the data is divided into numerical data or categorical data. So you can see here with the help of is null and mode method. So we are filling the values just like missing values. So which would be cause errors in few of the data. So, so guys, you can see the duration has 0.3 percentage of error, and here the only three values are replaced by none. So guys, you can see here NaN stands for not a number. So it is not a number. So it is one of the common ways to represent the missing value in the data. As you can see after using LOC method, you can see here in duration um, uh, column here is a not a number value is present. So we are going to replace it with an arbitrary number with the help of dot fill na method. So let's implement this method. So you can see here the method is implemented. Dot fill na method is implemented here. Next, we are going to identify the outliers in the data set. Guys, you can see here what are outliers in data science. So outliers are data points that differ significantly from other data set. You can see there are data points they are which are significantly differ from other data types. So in this step, we are identifying the outliers. So with the help of this code, and next, so guys, you can see this much outliers are present in this data set. So you can see after that we are selecting only movies outlier for the specific operation. So and next we are going to split strings with characters with help of str.split method. So next we are going to implement that method. So str.split method, and next so guys, next we are going to use using Instagram to identify outliers with numerical data. So first we make histogram with pandas. So this we have implemented here. So we have plotted histogram with the help of pandas. So next we see only the minute. So in the data set, the Netflix data set, we can see here the minute only. In duration, we take only the minute data. So we take all the minute column from the data frame, and next we get bar range values with values count method and numbers of bins. So we are going to actually sort the data according to the outliers. So next we are going to deal with the outliers. So we are performing some of the operations in minute. So with the help of head method, so you can see the 5 data sets are shown here. So the thing is that give the data set which is less than 64 minute and greater than 157 minute. So or we have used here or operation, so which is this or this. You can see it is less than 64 minute and data you can see 61 minute, 23 minute, 13 minute, and greater than 157 minutes. You can see 167 minute data is here. You can see here in the duration column. So the 5 data only available due to using dot head method. So next we use the help of box plot. We identify outliers with the new. So with the help of box plot, we are going to identify the outliers. Next, we are going to make a box plot with pandas and the rest of the code as it is. And next, here the box plot is plotted. And next, we are overview descriptive statistics using the formula. So IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Next, we are going to printing the three values. So we are going to repeat in further next code. So next, we are going to dealing outliers. So here the values are changed. You can see. And next, for further with the help of using bars to identify the outliers. So outliers basically it is the same data we have discussed before. So you can see the outliers is basically the data points that are significantly deviate from the rest of the data in data set. So in a data set, you can see the data is deviating from the other data sets, other data values. So that's the problem occurring in in this data set. So it is Netflix slash title. So we are just cleaning the data. So with the help of pandas. So guys, after plotting a bar plot, so we can see here, so the plot is exponentially decreasing. And next we are using text normalization, dealing with inconsistent and capitalization with the help of few methods like lower, upper and title method. So we use these three methods with the help of for change the case of the text with the str attribute. Str refers to string, so with the help of string attribute, mm, we update the values and change the case of the text with the apply method. So we here use lambda function. So you can see here guys, the result is here printed. And next we are going to remove blank spaces with strip method and left strip, right strip. So L refers to left strip and R refers to right strip. So the blank spaces is removed with the help of these three methods. So here the methods are actually implemented here. So with the help of taking a sample um, variable, so which is Titanic. So you can see here the L strip refers to the left strip. The one space is removed here. You can see it is not having any space, the data. And next, with the help of R strip, the full blank spaces is removed in this data set instead of removing the first left strip. And in regular strip, the full left and right also data is the blank spaces is removed. And next, this is simple functions basically. And next, we get rid of the leading and trailing white spaces with the help of dot strip method. That is same as this. And next, although we have capitalized the data with the help of str lower and str upper. So next, we replace strings with replace or sub method. So we use these two methods. So here we use regular expressions in pandas. So let's see about regular expression. We use regex is equal to true true attribute, true basically true attribute, which applies the regular expression method in the data set. So guys, you can see with the help of import RE, we import the regular expression module. So it's a built-in package in pandas. So it is helpful in data cleaning and data transformation. So next, we are implementing import RE and with the help of this regular expressions. You can see here. So why we are using regular expression? Because it is a sequence of character that performs a search pattern. So a search pattern is performed and a regex can be used to check if a string contains specific search pattern. So if we tell the regular expression we want to search something like we want we need only hyphens and without uh, string values, or we need only numeric data, we can do this by using regular expressions. So next, that's all uh, about regular expressions, and that's all about this project. So hope this video is helpful, and thank you for watching this video guys. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share this video to your friends. So see you in the next video.